Hello everybody, it's Lori with the Produce Moms. Welcome back to my home kitchen. We are celebrating with Jazz Apples today. We love working with Jazz Apple as a brand partner, and today our recipe is super fun for people of all ages, but especially our kids. So Jazz Apple Epic Adventure Horseshoes, inspired by the upcoming motion picture from DreamWorks Animation studio, Spirit Untamed. I know that your family is as excited about this upcoming movie as my family is. What a great TV show and character. I mean, we're connected to Spirit, and it's made us all love horses more. So take a look at what we're doing here. The first step in making these epic adventure horseshoes is to cut your apple in a horseshoe shape. And we're looking for about 1/2-inch slices here. And I'm going to use my apple core. You could also use a cookie cutter to get the core out. Okay, and then you just run your knife like this. Jazz apples, they are ideal for snacking. These apples are naturally a little smaller in size. They've got this wonderful, refreshing, sweet and tangy flavor. So it really doesn't matter where you stand on the apple spectrum of flavors, you're going to love Jazz Apple. Another thing that I really appreciate about Jazz Apple is they're available nearly year round. So, you know, at any time of year, you can walk into your favorite grocery store and usually find them, which is fantastic. So, all right, let's show you how we make it. There's really no set recipe. This is kind of a, you know, think of this as food art and fun for you and your family. All right, we've got a few different spreads that we've put out. We've got some yogurt. We have a nut butter. This is an almond butter. We have ricotta cheese that we whipped up. And then this is hazelnut spread. So we'll start with a little hazelnut spread. Spread it on the horseshoe. You can do just the tops. You can do the whole thing. Again, food art. There's no right or wrong way. Consider this your master recipe or your inspiration to make it your own, and most importantly, get your kids involved in the kitchen. And then we will use one of our toppings. So we've got different sprinkles here. I've got some flaked coconut, some chocolate chips, and I have a chili and lime seasoning. Spirit Untamed arrives in theaters on June 4th. It is the next chapter in DreamWorks Animation's beloved franchise that began with the 2002 Oscar-nominated film Spirit, Stallion of the Cimarron, and includes an Emmy-winning TV series. Apples are core to the story of Spirit Untamed, and Jazz Apples have partnered with DreamWorks Animation to include custom Spirit Untamed artwork on their packaging. So look for that at your local grocery store this spring. That's it. That's how easy it is. So please enjoy the Epic Adventure Apple Horseshoes brought to us all by Jazz Apple. And don't forget to take your family to the theater and enjoy the new upcoming DreamWorks Animation film, Spirit Untamed.